Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's videos, I'm going to show you step by step on how I do my devotion. Let's start in 1, 2, 3.
I always start with prayer. Ask God for wisdom and spiritual hearing to hear His voice and His message today. We will be needing, of course, our Bible. Notebook. Ballpen and highlighters. Use the tools you usually use for devotion. Devotional book, daily bread, Bible application that has the Bible verse of the day, or any application that can help you. Write and read your chosen verse or context, or the message of God for you today. And then study and meditate. Conclude and reflect. Reflect what you have learned and how you can apply it in your daily life. And then I always end with prayer. I am going to show you one example of my devotion. Here I have 2 verses. I also have my title and the examples, and then reflections. And I also have my prayer. It depends on how you do your devotion. Some people, they do Bible reading, they have the planner, Bible reading planner. But me, I always choose one verse and then reflect on it. And yeah, that's it. That's how I do my devotion. I also encourage you guys to have your devotion and talk to God, because He is waiting for you. God bless you all. Joshua 1:8. Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written on it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. So, we're done. Hopefully this is helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.